Hello everyone. First reaction, P4 plus 5O2 producing 2P2O5. P4 to P2O5 is oxidation because it is addition of oxygen. Oxygen to P2O5 is reduction because addition of phosphorus. Yes, phosphorus is non-metal, but in this case phosphorus is more electropositive than oxygen. So we can say addition of more electropositive element in this case. So this particular partial reaction is reduction. Now based on the properties we can identify oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is oxygen, reducing agent is phosphorus, substance oxidized is phosphorus, and substance reduced is oxygen. Here all of you please remember one thing, that whenever we will be choosing oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance oxidized and substance reduced, everything should be selected from reactant side, not from the product side, only from the reactant side. Okay, is it clear? Let's go to the second queries. 3 Mg plus N2 producing Mg3N2. In this case, Mg to Mg3N2, that partial reaction is oxidation. Why? Because there is addition of nitrogen, and nitrogen is an electronegative element. So due to addition of electronegative element, this partial reaction is considered as oxidation. So obviously the other partial reaction, that is nitrogen to Mg3N2, will be considered as reduction. Reduction means, why it is reduction? Because addition of magnesium. Magnesium means it is metal. Metal means it is an electropositive element. So due to addition of electropositive element N2 to Mg3N2, this partial reaction is considered as reduction. Okay. Now as I already said you, that we have to choose oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance oxidized and substance reduced from the reactant side. So only magnesium and nitrogen, from these two substances only we have to select. So which one will be oxidizing agent here? Nitrogen, because it is facilitating oxidation process. Reducing agent is magnesium because it helps in reduction. Substance oxidized is magnesium and substance reduced is nitrogen. Hope it is clear. Once again you practice your own. Again, if you have any queries, you can send it in the group.